Hi everyone, Habibi here. Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to share with you about a script that I have made earlier. I call this script click the floor to move. Yes, I made this script. So if I click any area of this floor, I can move to that area. I can rotate around and look around me, and here you can see a pointer, an icon here. Wherever you hover your mouse, it follows the mouse, and if you click somewhere, we can move there. Let me click this area, then I move here. If I click this area, I move here. If I want to move there, I just click that area this way. Okay, now let me show you how to use this script from scratch. So let me delete everything here on my scene. Let me delete these two folders, and let me delete this. Let me delete everything. And here is the package that I'm going to share it with you. I will upload this package to my website. You can download it. Find the link on the description of this video. To use it, we can just click and drop it here in this Unity. You can see two folders here. This one is the new script that I have made, click the floor to move, and the other folder is my old script that I have made before. Select everything and click import, and open this click the floor to move folder. Run this example scene, and here click .save. Here is the scene that I've shown it to you. If you run the game, then look around and click anywhere on this plane to move. So that's it. I hope you like it, and please let me know if you have any question. Thank you and bye bye. Thank you.